Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. Mathematics file, practical number 11. Student, as we know, we are on our division methods, and this time we have a very fantastic game activity for you. The stamp game. If you remember, in multiplication we did this stamp game before, but for division, why and how this stamp games helps? This stamp game is actually providing the banking or the money distribution activity to the child. Banking. Yes, banking is fun. Everybody wants to save money and keep those amount in the bank. But just not keeping money is bank necessary, but dividing this money in a proper manner is also essential. If you have a big amount of money and people are in need, you must give them. In this particular presentation, now we are providing you the activity of distributing the amount or any object in any stamp game. The stamp game is having tiles in different colors that shows units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Units are green, tens are blue, hundreds are red, and thousands are again in green color. The color is just a symbol or symbolic activity. We have a big divider skittle or the small skittles. We have some equation on paper. The directress tells child to write any equation or an amount of money on paper. Here we have 6,936. Now, first, we are going to place all the amount in front of us, means all the tiles. 6,000 are 6 tiles, 900s are red 9 tiles, 30 blue tiles, and 6 rupees, the 6 green tiles. Placing in front of child, the directress tells how to calculate all these amount. Now you have 6,936 rupees, or the tiles. This amount has to divide it into 3 people or the skeletons. So she is placing 3 skeletons in one row. According to the situation and position, how many units and the amount is being distributed among these 3, she start going to collect them. The student helps. Firstly, the amount of 1,000 is being divided, then the hundreds and the units in equal form, tens, which are in red, collection of amount is being divided. Units, tens, hundred, and thousand. Yes, the amount is 6,936. So she gonna divide the units, then the tens, then hundreds, and then thousands among these 3 skeletons or the units. That is your equational number. 6,936. 2,936 by 3 divided by 3. Now let's see how much 1 got. The answer is 2,312. 2,312 means all those 3 skeletons or the people, like one is your mama, papa, and you by yourself, are getting the amount of 2,312 each person. 6,936 is divided by 3 means, or the answer of equation is 2,312. This is how you can manage your equation. It could be in tens only, it could be in hundreds, and divided by units or tens. The skeletons are your units or tens, and the tiles are your equational numbers. Keep them as per equation and you got your answer. Division is done. Thank you so much.